tour fans, this is a walking tour through Cork. We're on Paul Street in Cork Island, just seeing what's there to be seen. It's about 3 o'clock on a Thursday afternoon. I believe it's May 23rd. I could be wrong. And we just walk around seeing what they have here. There's a flutist playing a flute. And there's a bookstore. Waterstone's bookstore. And this is a street where they don't permit cars, which is becoming very popular in most of Europe. Turning the cars can come in, or trucks can come in and deliver in the middle of the night. It's the Paul Street Market. We're right behind the Cork Opera House. There's an opera house in Cork. All these little restaurants, I guess, are where people could go eat before the opera.
For one item.
Lots of little restaurants and shops.
Me and my group create like that.
This is French Church Street. Let's try French Church Street. Lots of bars. Lots of kids. Talking about exams. Lots of little cute restaurants here. So you can go to the opera and come and dine here. There's a offbeat donut shop. You like offbeat donuts? They look pretty offbeat. Look very good. You like sugar? There's Louis Copeland, Collier. Lifestyle.
Bro, I literally just texted you. I've already got a headpad, alright.
Barbershop. Sadly, we've lost our son. The son is gone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, for real, like, people.
We have a little music, artists. The Irish people are really nice. As you saw from a couple that became tour guides for me today, with no real hope of any compensation. They did it basically because they're nice people. I think she said initially because we have nothing better to do. Let's see.
I want to go on.
This is, I believe, Patrick
We're
Street.
getting food as well.
What the fuck's that?
Barber place. Barber shop.
Hey.
This is sort of a main shopping street. Tommy Hilfiger here. EBS. Jack Jones, Fighting Tiger. Ah, and a Penny's store. I love Penny's. Brown Thomas. Gentlemen's Quarters. I believe this is Patrick Street, which may be the main road going through Cork. Cork has about 400,000 people, and Dublin has about 2.5 million. And here's a Dunn's store. Dunn's stores. Hidden clothing, food, a little bit of everything. Brown Thomas. A stop. Oh, the sun came out. How nice. Store called Mango. Best thing about Ireland is the people. People are really nice.
There it is.
Mark Spencer. Flannels. These street lights are cool. Wonder what it's like at night. Might be nice to come back here at night and see what it's like. Merchants Key. Let's cross over the street. Walk down this side by Mark Spencer. I love looking at the people. Fire? Please. Probably fire. Ambulance. I learned there are 4 hospitals in Cork. Oh, we have TFK bikes. A little like City Bike in New York City. Wait for step, it's charging. These are electric bicycles. They get charged, you make a deal to get them. Like so much. More acidified, I'd say, than Cloney. And a lot bigger. Here's the bus routes, tells you where they're going and when they're coming. Lots of interesting people to look at here.
So there's like in-house rooms.
I was enough to be ready. He knows the real at this stage.
Gelato.
All this. Yeah, by the way, someone up in here.
The McDonald's. That's the second McDonald's I've seen in this city.
Yeah, let's get.
I just gonna understand now.
Because you don't know him.
Already sausage. Someone's performing, and here's the main post office, I'd say. It says all posts, on post. No, loudspeaker, that one. Here's another street you can walk on.
Still get on, still get on.
There's another street to check out.
We just do it now. There was only three of us there.
The Oak. A makeup store. O'Brien's Footwear. Frisky Whiskey Bar. Very cool. Lots of shops, lots of restaurants. Maybe cold weather is keeping the people out of here. Sandbox. Cafe Nero. Office for rent. Milano Galaxy Lighting. Walk down this sort of alley and see what's down here on this next street.